Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in this video we're going to make it so that you've got another cell part on the second island. So when you've got the second island you click cell whatever and it'll send you straight to the second island. Now the way we're going to do this, we're going to open our workspace, we're going to our island 2, and by the way this cell pad's going to have a boost as well depending on our old boost. Now we're going to go to island 2, now that we've got that open we're going to find our we've got two things here. We've got our open shop, which is this red pad, and our shop. Obviously don't want these, so we're going to go down to terrain. No we're not, sorry, because we're in island 2. We want to open island 1. Sorry. We're going to find the coin pad. We've got the coin pad, and we're going to find this red building, which is just exchange shop. We're then going to duplicate them with Control D, or right click duplicate. And we're going to drag these into island 2. And now that these are in island 2, we can grab them. Let's get these. We can use the move tool to move them over to island 2. Put them in the position you want. You can put them here. Basically same place, maybe a bit closer together. And we're completely done there. Now we're going to get into the scripting. Scripting won't be too hard today. We've already got everything we need. If you followed along with last episode, then you should have a max island. If I find, where's my data stats? You should have a max island variable. If you didn't follow last episode with Gamepass, just make this variable and follow everything else. Just don't make the Gamepass, because you're gonna need this variable today. This instance. So we're gonna be closing down the server script service. We're gonna open our starter GUI, main screen, cell background, and then we're going to open the cell. We're going to go in here and we're going to say where we've got this click here, we're going to say after we've declined to the lower torso, now it's going to be quite simple. What we've got to do, all we've got to do is we have to say if. And then we're gonna have to get our player, which we've already got, which is local player, and we're gonna want to wait for child. So colon wait for child, and then this is going to be the variable we've got, which is called max island. Dot value is equal to this is obviously this is gonna be 1 because this is called if our. This is sending us to the first island pad, so this will be our first one. Then we'll say end. Next we'll say else if, and we're going to say, we're going to copy this again. And then we're going to replace this one with 2. And in the then, we'll copy all this, paste it in, but here will be island 2 rather than island 1. And then whoops, this will be end, and we don't need the else at the beginning here, we can just have if. There we go. Now let's copy this back and go to our cell button and just paste it in there like so. That's simple. And now let's test and play, and it should all work. So we've got let's give ourselves, let's go click on current client, it'll send us into the server. Then we can go to the player, go to your player, go down to stamina, that's already 999, set that to a high number, and set your points to like 9999, same amount, and it should give you 999 coins. Yep. Now let's do the exact same thing again, but on let's set this to 999 again, and do the same thing again but on the other island. So this should now give us a lot more points. Oh my. Now let's give this a go. If we click the cell here, it's not working. Let's have a look. Attempt to index nil with leader stats. No, it's not like anything to do with that. Okay, that's strange. Just click cell. So we know the cell. Okay, so this cell pad's not working at all. Let's have a look. Ah, I see why. We want to copy this and just say island 2 coinpad.touched. That's why. So let's play. We've lost our points again. For some reason our points aren't saving. We'll have to look into that. I think I said I'd do that last episode, but I ran out of time. So I'll do it later on today, if I remember. And I'll try see if our saving is working properly. Should be. Right, let's use this portal. Yeah, even our portals aren't saving. Oh well. We'll try fix that in another episode. Now this should set us, what's 99, this would be like 50,000. If it's over 50k, we know it's worked. Yep, it's working. Awesome. So we know that works. Awesome, everyone. So that's it for this video. Next episode, I think we're going to make the third island. We're going to make a third island and a portal for it. And then that'll be it for all the islands we're going to make in this series. So thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next one, and goodbye.